Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran again, healthy aging advocates, mentors, and authors of the incredible bestseller, 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age.
Our life goal is to die young, as late as possible, to feel good, to look good, and retain a youthful energy, whether you are 38 or 83. We invite you to join us in this exciting journey. You can start at any age. In today's takeaway, you will learn our threefold plan to enable you to achieve this goal.
Yes, you can reverse your age to stay young in body, mind, and attitude. You will be empowered to grow younger and not older, starting now. So let's jump right in.
Strategy number 1 is making the right food choices. This means transitioning to a healthy diet. It's about breaking many of your present eating habits, like eating less or eliminating animal products and eating more vegetables, fruit, and whole grains. It also calls for consuming less or eliminating dairy products like milk, cheese, and ice cream, and eating more plant-based substitutes that are readily available. An important final right eating choice is to eliminate all processed foods. We say, if it is a plant, eat it, but if it's made in a plant, don't.
Ultimately, the secret is converting from the SAD diet, the standard American diet, which is pretty sad, to a whole food plant-based diet. It is the only diet confirmed by thousands of medical studies to prevent and even reverse chronic disease and overweight. This includes, but is not limited to, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, and weight loss. We are the perfect examples of this as we both overcame life-threatening illnesses by going to a plant-based lifestyle. Now we are in our 80s and we feel better than ever.
Strategy number 2 to reverse your age is moving. No, not moving to another place. We mean getting up and moving you. So we recommend 3 types of movement: stretching, walking, and Qigong. Doing this trio every day is a life changer, and it's really fun and easy. So first is simple stretching. You can find and follow along on our YouTube videos, or just Google healthy stretching for beginners or seniors or similar to get started, and do a few minutes every morning. Second is walking. Attempt to work up to at least 20 minutes daily. Try to walk briskly and pump your arms so your fists come up to the level of your heart. And if possible, walk there are trees and plants and nature. Try to get a walking partner. Walking is wonderful for your bones and joints, and it also tones your heart and lungs.
Finally, take up the practice of Qigong. That is spelled Qigong. Qigong is an ancient Chinese system of health and wellness. It means energy exercise, and it's the healthiest and easiest exercise program on earth. The health benefits of Qigong are incredible. It can increase your energy, lower your stress, and improve your sleep, flexibility, balance, blood pressure, circulation, and much more. There's no jumping or sweating or laying on the floor. It's fun and easy to learn. Check our YouTube channel for a great number of free Qigong videos where you can follow along and learn a wonderful and healthy new skill.
And strategy number 3, reduce stress. Tension, anxiety, worry, fear, anger, all stressors are the result of your mind at work. It comes from your thinking about something that happened in the past or something that might happen in the future. A great fix for reducing stress is to calm the mind by focusing on the present moment. This is called mindfulness. Simply paying attention to what is happening now and not dwelling in the past or fast forwarding into the future.
The ideal training for mindfulness is simply sitting quietly for a few minutes once or twice a day. It means to meditate in a quiet, comfortable place, so you are single-focused on your breath, for example. This enables you to be calm, not overreact to things, to avoid anger and worry, and much more. To help you with this, we also offer a variety of excellent, soothing, free meditations on our YouTube channel. So check it out.
So there you have it. Our 3 strategies to die young as late as possible. They've worked for us and for many others who we mentor. It is the path to enjoying great health, happiness, and longevity. With your doctor's approval, we sincerely hope you will try to incorporate these into your life starting now.
So we're wondering, does this all make sense to you? Please let us know what you think in the comment section below and ask any questions there also. We will reply to all of your comments. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so we can keep making these healthy aging videos. So, eat well, move your butt, enjoy quiet time, do all 3 every day. We look forward to your coming back and seeing you again soon.